Hello all. So today we are going to do some questions for coordinate geometry based upon the distance formula that we have learned. So we'll start with the first question. So first question that you can see on the screen here, we are going to find the perimeter of a triangle with vertices 0, 4, 0, 0, and 3, 0. So we can go about it in two ways. Either we plot it on the chart on the x and y axis, or we can directly try to find the uh, perimeter or the distance between these points. So let's start with the coordinate geometry x and y axis. So we have 0, 0 as one of the point. We have 0, 4. So this is x-axis. This is y-axis. Now let's say that we have to plot 0, 4. So 0, 4 means x-axis point is 0. So x-axis is 0. It's here, and it will be somewhere here. Similarly, the other point that we have it is 3, 0. So x-axis is 3 and y-axis is 0. So we have this triangle that we are talking about. And this triangle is 90 degree because x and y-axis angle between x and y-axis is 90 degree here. So अगर मैं इसको नाम दे देता हूँ A, B and C. So AB की लेंथ जो है वो y-axis पे है, which is 4 in our scenario. So we can put it as 4. For B and C, the distance is 3 because x-axis पे हम लोग 3 distance ही चले हैं. And for AC, we can find out the distance for AC using Pythagoras theorem. So for AC, distance will be 4 square plus 3 square, which is nothing but AB square plus BC square and square root. So it becomes 16 plus 9, which becomes root 25, which becomes 5 because it is distance. So the distance cannot be negative. So AC becomes 5. Since we have to find the perimeter, so the perimeter here becomes 4 plus 3 plus 5, which is 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. So the answer becomes D, 12. Let's go to next question and see if we are able to do that as well. So we have 2 points here, 0, 2 root 5 and minus 2 distance between these 2 points. So अगर मैं इसको लेता हूँ 0, 2 root 5. So this time let's try without putting it on the graph so that you can understand both the ways. So we have to find a distance between these 2 points. Distance का फॉर्मूला हमें पता है, root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So can you try to do it on your own? Because we have the formula, we have the points as well. So you should be able to do it. Okay. So let me also do it in parallel. So we have minus 2 root 5 here. So I'll put minus 2 root 5 minus 0 square plus, if you see the y is 0, 0 minus 2 root 5, which is coming from here. Okay, so this becomes square of these two things, which is nothing. Since we are subtracting 0, it doesn't make any sense. So we'll just remove it. So it becomes root of 2 root 5 square plus 2 root 5 square. So I've removed a minus as well because minus का square करेंगे तो वो plus हो जाता है. So I've removed that as well. 2 root 5 का square into 2 and उसका square root. So this becomes, if you see, if I take it out, it becomes 2 root 5 into root 2, which is nothing but 2 root 10. And I think we have the answer as A here, right? Coming to the third question. Okay, so we have to find a distance of point minus 6, 8 from the origin. So let's try to plot this one. So this is origin for us. And we have to plot minus 6, 8. So minus 6 is the distance. X is negative. So it becomes somewhere in this quadrant because x is minus and y is positive. So let's say this is minus 6, 8. And we have to find the distance of this point to origin. Okay. So the distance again becomes minus 6 minus 0 square plus 8 minus 0 square. It's the same for formula that we have applied before. So this becomes 6 square plus 8 square. That is 36 plus 64. That becomes root 100. becomes 10. So distance becomes 10, and that is our answer. So hope you understood the video. These all questions that we have done now, these have come in the board's exams. Okay. So I hope you are able to understand these questions. Okay. If you understood the questions and liked our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.